In this video, I will show you a quick and simple way to fix the error that says, your PC cannot project to another screen. Try reinstalling the drivers. Follow each step carefully, and this problem will be resolved. Step 1. Install wireless display. Feature open the settings menu. Click on System. Scroll down and select Optional Features. Under Add an optional feature, click on View Features. Search for wireless display. Select it and click Next, then Install. After installation, open your other PC and search for Connect to Wireless Display. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network or the same Ethernet network. Step 2. Install wireless display driver. Updates open settings again. Go to Windows Update. Select Advanced Options. Click Optional Updates. Expand. Driver Updates. Look for Intel Display, AMD Display, NVIDIA Display, or wireless display drivers. Select them and click Download and install. Step 3. Check your cable. If you are using a cable such as DP to HDMI or any display cable, check if it is damaged. If it is loose or not working, replace it before testing again. Step 4. Update GPU drivers manually. If the issue continues, go to the official website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA or AMD. Download their automatic driver detection tool. Install the tool and update your drivers through it. Restart your computer after the update is complete. After following these steps, your PC should successfully project to another screen without the error. If the video helps, you may continue watching similar troubleshooting guides on this channel.
I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate